How this works here, I'm going to strip the end of the cable with my Klein Tools Coax stripping tool, which I've reviewed in another video. Link in the description for that one. Give it a few spins here. Take that off. There's the coax, and what you want to do is take a minute and always push back all of the braided shielding. It's very important that none of that touches your center conductor, otherwise you're going to short out the cable. Then we'll go ahead and press this connection on. Push that on until the white dielectric inside the cable is flush with the bottom of the nut there. And then we can insert this in the tool. Just push it up against the plunger like that, and then squeeze it like that. And there it is. It's on there snug, and this nut still spins freely, and that's really what you want. Here's a look at that crimping action in greater detail.